Very good morning, children. You're most welcome. Just we are studying the dissolution of the partnership form. Are going through the practical questions. Now question number 18. How to prepare the realization account, cash account and partners capital account. In dissolution of partnership form, first realization account is prepared, then the partners capital account is prepared for the final payment of the partners, and the cash account is prepared. So therefore in question number 18, go through the book and just what is the information given in question number 18? A, B, C are three partners. Their profit sharing ratio is equal to 4:3:3. They decide to dissolve the firm, and the balance sheet of the firm is not given. When the balance sheet in the information in the question, the balance sheet of the firm is not given, first we have to prepare the balance sheet, finding out the missing figure. How in this question we can do such things? In the information on the terms and conditions are given, just the firm is being dissolved. Creditors 16,800. Contingent liabilities of the firm 3,500 had to be met. मतलब एक प्रकार की कंटिंजेंट लायबिलिटी है, उसे पेमेंट करना है, वो अकाउंट में अब ली जाएगी. कैपिटल ऑफ द पार्टनर्स, A's capital 12,000, B's capital 10,000 and C's capital 8,000. B had lent to the firm in addition of his capital, just he had granted the loan to the firm 13,200. 13,200 just the loan advanced by the B to the firm, and other information given, assets realized 45,670, means assets given realized value of the asset. What may be the book value of the assets? We have to find out by preparing the balance sheet. Clear, my dear? So now question just we can see. Here is the book. First we have to prepare the balance sheet of the firm. When the balance sheet is not given, when the balance sheet of the firm, balance sheet of the firm not given, यदि फर्म का बैलेंस शीट नहीं दिया रहता है, तो सर्वप्रथम हम लोग क्या करते हैं बेटा, बैलेंस शीट फाइंड आउट करते हैं। बैलेंस शीट सर्वप्रथम फाइंड आउट किया जाता है। Now my dear children, in the question number 18, just we have to prepare the balance sheet. So draw the figure of balance sheet this way. This one is the liabilities. Amount, assets, amount. Balance sheet of the firm. In liabilities column, just the creditors, creditors given 16,800. Put this one in the liabilities column. Then the capital of the partners given and B's loan. B had lent to the firm in addition of his capital, B's loan 13,200. Then A's capital of the partners, capital, A की capital 12,000, B की capital, B's capital 10,000 given, C's capital 8,000. And contingent liability, you know it very well. This is not shown in the balance sheet. Only further notes given below the balance sheet. So, but we have to make. So, this one is transferred to the realization account by making payment of this liability. And there is no assets. So, balancing figure of this one will be the asset. Now, total 0, 0, 0, 8 to 10, 0, carry 1. South in north और सत्तर दोनों के बीच को सुनना 1, 2, 3, 4 60,000. Just the total of this one 60,000. So by sundry assets, just the assets book value will be the assets. This one is the missing figure. एसेट्स इसमें नहीं दिया गया है, तो आपने बैलेंस शीट बना करके जो है इसको आपका मिसिंग फिगर जो बैलेंस शीट में है एसेट हो जाएगा आपका सन्डी एसेट 60,000. आपने पता कर दिया. That will be the. Now you have to prepare the realization account. You can prepare this way. Just you can do it by this way. Realization account. First dispose of the live assets. Realization account. Realization account. Assets, two sundry assets. This one is the debit column and this one is the credit column. Two sundry assets. First asset transferred to the realization account, 60,000. Then the liabilities transferred means the realization account credited with the liabilities by creditors. By creditors, the amount 16,800. 16,800. Clear? Up, just a discharge of the liabilities and realized value of the assets given in the questions. So you can write over here by cash or bank, by cash. 45,670. 45,670. This one is given in the question, and you have to pay the liabilities to cash. Creditors will be paid and contingent liability 3,500. So creditors plus contingent liabilities means creditor the amount 16,800 plus contingent liability. 3,500. Just both the total. This one is the payment cash. Payment 0,0,3,0,2. 20,300 will be paid as liability. This one is the discharge of the liability, and rest of the information not given. So we can calculate whether the loss or profit on realization. We can write over here 80,300 and the difference amount 45,000 and 16,800, 45,670, 45,670 plus 16,800. 62,470. This one is the total of credit side, and total of the debit side is equal to 80,300. Now difference by loss on realization, by loss. The difference amount 80,300. Just you can see the working note 80,300 minus 62,470. 0 10 में से 7 गया 3, 12 में से 4 गया 8, 9 में से 2 गया 7, 17,830. That will be the answer. 17,830. 17,830. This one is the 80,300, my dear. Now the next B's loan account. Just you can prepare B's loan account. B's loan account. B's loan account by balance. By balance, whatever the loan granted by the B, 13,200. 13,200. Now payment, made the payment, so to cash. 13,200. This one is the B's loan account. Close. And then just the partners capital account is prepared for the final payment to the partners. This way we can prepare this one. Partners capital account. Partners capital account. Three partners. A, B, C. A and B, C. Partners capital account. A, B, C. A, B, C. Now such a way by balance, their capital by balance, balancing figure by balance, 12,000, 10,000, 8,000, 12,000, 10,000 and 8,000. Just the loss on realization will be distributed in their profit sharing ratio 4:3:3, means 17,830. 17,830 into 4 by 10. A square 0, 4 के 12 के 2, 4 बटे 32, 35 को 3, 4 सते 28, 3, 31 को 1. और 4 1 कम 4 3 7. 7,132. 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 3 3 जा 9, 3 8 जा 24 4. 3 सते 21 2, 23 को 3, और 3 1 कम 3 2 5. 7,132 A share and B share 3 3 जा 9, 3 बटे 24 4, 2 सते 21, 2 23 को 3, 3 कम 5,349 B share, 5,349 C share. Just we can put two realization. A share 7,132. B share 5,349. C share 5,349. Just total of this account, what the final payment for the partners? Final payment of the partners 12,000 minus 7,132. 12,000 minus 7,132. 10 में से 2 गया 8, 9 में से 3 गया 6, 9 में से 1 गया 8, 11 में 7 गया 4. 4,868. 868. Just you can write to cash payment. And in 10,000 minus this year final payment 5,349. 10 में से 9 गया 1, 9 में 4 गया 5, 9 में 3 गया 6. 4,651. 4,651. And seed share final payment 8,000 minus 5,349. Again 1, 5, 6 and 7 minus 5 equal to 2,650. This will be the final payment. Now prepare the cash account. In the balance sheet nothing given. Cash account. Whatever the cash received, just through the realization account. You can write this way to realization. To realization 45,670. 45,670. And payment made by realization